This is POCO F5 and today I would like to show how you can switch your SIM card preferences on this device. So to start, you will need to launch Settings, then enter the SIM card and mobile networks category, and the following page allows you to set the SIM card that you would like to use for making phone calls and using the mobile data. If you would like to switch the preferred SIM card for sending SMS messages, you can do that inside the dialog. So let me create one with this contact, let's say. And over here, prior to writing an SMS or text message, simply select the SIM card you would like to use to, send it out. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.